So this next feature that I'm going to show you, I love it. I think it's so sophisticated. It's like magic. And I'm so happy to demonstrate it on the new Revit sample file. So I don't know if you guys know it, but the Revit 2024 has a really nice new sample file that was partly created with a point cloud. And you don't get the point cloud in the files in your computer because it's so heavy, but it's available to download from the Autodesk website. So I thought it would be nice to demonstrate our tool on this one. So let me just isolate the point cloud. So what I want to show you is the point cloud to topography feature here, new in the terrain and site components. So what exactly is this feature going to do? Well, we built an algorithm. I mean, I didn't build any algorithm, but our programmers, which are really smart, they build an algorithm that can identify the parts of the point cloud that are ground or topography or surface, and differentiate them from anything else that is a building, a lamppost, or anything. So you can click one click and create a topography, which is pretty great. So let's see how it works. I'm going to click on the point cloud to topography feature, select my point cloud, and then I get this box to indicate that everything within this box is going to be taken into consideration. I have to warn you, this might take a while to calculate. The bigger your topography is, the more time it will take to calculate. So for the sake of this example, I'm going to specify a region. So let's say you don't want to use the entire point cloud. Let's say that your design is only in a specific region. I'm just going to define this region over here. I'm going to take this small section and click on apply region. So there you can see this three-dimensional thing that allows you to see what part of the point cloud is included. And you can see that I intentionally included some of the buildings just so you can see how the feature works. One last note, you can define a maximum amount of points on each topography. So it probably means that if there's a lot of points on one surface, it will just divide it into several parts. So let's go with create, select the toposolid type. I just want to tell you, if you're using another Revit version that is 2020 and up, don't worry. All the features that you've seen today will be available in all Revit versions. The only features that are available to Revit 2024 and up are toposolid related features. So basically this feature in 2023 will just give you an option to create a topography, a topo surface. So wait, where's my topo surface? Oh, there it is. Sorry, toposolid. So you can see it created here, but let's just take a minute to examine the results and see what happens. So I'm going to use a selection box over here. Let's take it up a little bit so we can see the buildings. And let's cut here. So this is the nice part. I really like seeing how accurate this is because you can really see that the toposolid takes the accuracy of the point cloud and conveys it into, an actual topography that is a survey topography. I mean, how great is that for landscape architects? I don't know about you, but for me, it's really amazing. And you can really see the curbstone here. You can really see the amount of accuracy that you're getting. Let's take a look at it from the other side over here. Again, you can really see the sidewalks and take a look at how environment really knows not to climb up on the walls. So you know that a wall is a wall and a topography is a topography. In the past few years, we discovered that a lot of surveyors love environment for Revit and use it a lot to create a survey right away, in Revit. So we're sending our love to you and hope you will enjoy these new features.